provide food and clothing to families when they need it, but they give them a fishing pole. And then not only do they give them a fishing pole, they show them how to use it, and they show them where to go fishing. They have social workers to work together with these families to make sure that the return on equity that we give is so well spent. 94 or 96 cents of every dollar goes directly to their clients. How many organizations do you know can say that? There's probably a few in America that can say that. And again, it's because of the love and volunteers that comes from it.
Yes.